Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Tanisha and I make videos on beauty, fashion and makeup. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you this dewy and glowy makeup look because it's my go-to makeup look for the winter season as it looks so natural. My skin looks so nourished and so fresh, and whenever I have to go out for my official or unofficial work, I usually go on with this kind of look. It's just I usually change my lip shade because I prefer wearing a light pink color, but this time I tried wearing a nude shade because I just wanted to try if it looks good on me or not. So you guys gonna tell me if it looks good on me or not in the comment section, although I am loving this shade anyhow. Also, if you are seeing this face for the very first time, please consider subscribing my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you may know whenever I post a new video. So anyways, I guess without further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, I will moisturize my skin. So the moisturizer that I'm using is from Faces Canada. It's Hydro Face Moisturizer. And it not only moisturizes my skin, but it also has SPF 15. Next, I'm gonna apply a hydrating primer. So the primer that I'm using is from Bellora Paris, and I'll take a little bit of the amount and dab it all over my face. After that, I'll be applying an illuminating lotion. So the lotion that I'm using is from Urban Colors. I usually apply this lotion on my daily basis also because it gives a very glowy texture all over my skin. Next, I'll take a very small amount of my foundation and I'll mix it with my face moisturizer. After that, I'll apply it all over my face. The reason why I mix my moisturizer with my foundation is to avoid those dry patches that usually happens after you apply your foundation. You can totally avoid this step if you have oily skin, but those who have dry skin or combination skin, you must try out this trick for sure. For my eyeshadow, I'll just take this nude shade and apply it all over my lids. I'm not gonna take any other shade, I'll just apply this one so that it looks more natural. Next, I'm gonna apply concealer. The concealer that I'm using is from Maybelline New York, and I'll apply it under my eyes and around my lips. Next, I'll just set my concealer using a very less quantity of this compact powder. Now, instead of applying those regular blush, what I do, I take a little bit of my concealer and I just mix it with my red color lipstick. After that, I take a beauty blender and just dab it all over my cheekbones and around my nose area. I usually prefer wearing this kind of blush because it's long lasting, plus it gives a very glowing kind of look. Now, to complete my eye makeup, I'll apply an eyeliner, and after that I'll be applying mascara. For my lips, I'll be using this lipstick from Studio West. It's in the shade Spice. And with that, my makeup is finally done, and here's the final look. Guys, that was it for my today's video. Please do let me know in the comment section if you want more of such looks, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.